Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a GIF file in Filmora 10. So GIF file. And actually it is very easy. So this tutorial will be a fast one. By the way, if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my channel. I make many video tutorials about Filmora and other software on this channel. Okay, so let's go to my computer. And the first thing, in order to create a GIF file, you need a video, maybe a video of you or someone else, okay, posting something, because you know that GIF file is always a short video, maybe 2 seconds or 3 seconds without sound, okay. And here I have my footage of me doing some funny thing, so you can see it. Let's review it first. Okay, so let's stop it. Okay, so now we can find some piece of a part of the video, and we can create a GIF file. Okay, let's close this one, and now we need to open Filmora 10, and here is my Filmora 10.4. and if you are at the lower version, you need to upgrade to this version. Okay, so we are going to start a new project by clicking here. And then we need to import our footage into the timeline, and let's drag and drop it like this. We have this one, and drag and drop it into the media folder here. Okay, so it is here. Now we need to find a part of the footage that we are going to use for our GIF file. So let's double click at the video to play it, and we are going to set an in point and out point for that. So I'm going to double click on it. Okay, so I think we can find the first solution. Let's play it now. Okay, so I think this should be a good in point. Let's select this one is the in point. I just press I on my keyboard, and we are going to play it again, and this is the out point. So I'm going to press O to set an out point, and now we are going to drag and drop this footage onto the timeline like this, and we can select match to media here, and I think that is okay. And here's the footage. Let's play it. It is very nice. By the way, I think I should add something. So we are going to add an element to make it just a little bit more interesting. Okay, so we're going to the elements here, and then wow, oops, power, boom. Okay, so I'm going to select this one and drag and drop this one onto the timeline at the top track, and let's see what is. Oh, it's too big, so I'm going to resize the elements. Okay, so make it like this and move it to here, and then I'm going to shorten the duration of the elements. Just split it and then delete it. Okay, so now we have this one. Nice, very nice. So the next thing is very easy. All you need to do is to export the video in GIF file. Okay, so we are going to click the export button here. Oh, I'm sorry, I need to close the window because of the background noise. Just one moment. Okay, so here we are at the export tab. The first thing we need to select local, and the next thing we can select GIF file here. Alright, and now we just need to give it a name, GIF number 1, and the next thing we can select a location for our file. By the way, it's okay because I have my default location here. And now all we need to do is to click this export, and we get the final result, and I'm going to export it. Alright, so that's easy, right? So that is how you can create a GIF file in Filmora 10, and I'm going to put the final result at the end of this tutorial so that you can watch it and see how good it is. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comment section below. Goodbye and see you again.